Hello, in this video I want to show you a few different useful tips for setting up Nokia 9 PureView for a senior person. And to do this, let's open our settings, and most of these options we'll find in accessibility right here. So first let's cover the font size, as it's very important to change, because here you'll be able to adjust how the big text will be on your device. So change it between large or largest, if depending on who you're setting up this phone for. So yeah, just maybe ask the person which one he prefers. Now moving on, we have a display size, and you'll be able also to just zoom it in. And now all of the icons on the home screen like this will become bigger. Next is a theme, because currently I have set the dark theme, and there's also light theme, but you can also ask the person which one is better, but I would say the dark theme is much better for that. Next is magnification, and here we can enable magnify with triple tap and magnify with shortcut. There's two different options, but they can work the same. So let's go with triple tap first, and if you enable it, you'll be able to zoom in onto the screen to see something magnified. To zoom, quickly tap the screen 3 times, and as you can see, it zooms in. Now we can move in using your 2 fingers. Let's zoom out by clicking 3 times again. And the next one was magnified with shortcut, and if you enable it, then you can use 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen to use the magnifier, and now it also works the same way. If you want to turn it off, then do the same thing. You can also see that the outlines become orange onto your screen, and that means you've entered magnified. So choose whichever one you prefer, and that's, I think, basically all of the options here. There's actually touch and hold a delay, and this one is actually very good as well, because if you change the touch and hold delay, it will take more time to press on to any buttons, so there won't be any mistakes by clicking on something. And yep, that's all. Only thing left to do is screen readers. So if you enable any of these 2 options, you'll hear each button that you're gonna press on, like that. Activate it, and if you select somewhere,
when select to speak is on, you can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read aloud. Start select to speak.
Okay, that speaks for itself. And that's all of the tips I know to actually make this phone more accessible for elderly person. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.